Speaking activity. Tutor Luz Elena Carreño. University UNAT. English A1. Hello teacher, my name is Alexandra Montenegro. I shared with for a story about my breed. The story about Alexandra Breed. The story being when the question who is Alexandra? Is my third among a friend with God characteristics. Lais third person observed, thoughtful, cheerful, sympathetic, and caring person. I miss the people are my the child that they like for youth I the four and my church in Wiscate, Wisnate, and a cup diet dish I you been and need to effort beckons. I am the one you left on person mark on the people around me. With what teachers, Jerry, people who love me. They will do and did it to seek me happy. Is my family. The word I did to see my happy. I is beautiful family. I invite my children and my husband. My oldest son, Andres Felipe. My youngest son is Camilo. My husband is a wonderful man. His name is Ignacio. When was that for? I the you, I you. In that for we were celebration. My bring, my children and husband invited. My dinner I the fourth has all the month of August. My family is very important to me. They are the engaged in the existence. That night, my mother was in the celebration. I was invited to dinner on the restaurant called Tarin and Lemon in Espinal. That night, we were some youth because we were games and family. I was very glad to the big clubs, to the people. I was a fantastic night because had the dinner my husband invited me to dance. Thank you for reading me.